Previously on Breakfast with Martin Bester.
Wake up.
Het is my plesier om ons gaste op die show te verwelkom volgende. Dames en heren, maak geraas vir Anel Alexander en Bobby van die Jaarsveld.
Dames en heren, skere klere.
Goeiemôre.
I'm gonna keep that one.
Dames en heren, skere klere.
Ja.
Vir wie? Vir jou of vir my?
Vir jou.
Stop it.
Luister julle mooi mense, baie welkom en dankie dat julle ons join. Julle is hier om baie opwindende nuus te deel. En dit is dat Semi Suits, die gewilde musiekblyspel, gaan in Johannesburg speel.
Absoluut, by die teatro.
En dit is 'n mooi plek daai. Dit is 'n baie mooi verhoog.
Dit is een van die grootste verhoë in Suidelike Afrika.
Is dit so?
Yep.
En dis die eerste keer in 'n bitter baie lang tyd. Ek dink wat hulle Afrikaans daar op haar planke
In
sit.
10 jaar, ja.
Is dit in 10 jaar?
Ja,
Ja.
dat is meer as dit.
Is dit? Ja, ons maak geskiedenis.
Semi-Suit gaan terug, I mean in die movie gaan 'n hele paar jaar terug. En die
Sê
musiek
ek
bly
lyk oud, Martin.
Dit lyk my so vars en jong.
Ek lyk nie 'n dag ouer as toe ons dit in 2012 geskiet het nie.
Nee, onthou julle die lyne? I mean as jy so 'n groot gap het tussen runs en goeters.
Ja, verseker, ons het hoeveel runs gehad daar so aan die kant
Ons het
was?
48 sold-out shows gehad. So ek dink
48.
nou so rukkie dan hy sit maar,
Ja.
jy weet, hy vind maar so 'n plekkie in jou
Hy
kop
vat.
en dit is ook maar goed so want mense kry mos party van ons shows waar jou brein net soos uitklats, maar dan hou jou mond aan praat.
happens, ja.
It's an amazing thing.
For those who don't know, wat is jou karakter?
My naam is JP, die
The Jackal.
Jackal.
JP
So,
the Jackal.
Ja, baie lekker karakter.
Ja.
Voel of ek iets speel wat ek nie is nie, maar seker 'n mate is. Ja, so 'n bietjie windgat, bietjie.
Dit's 'n bietjie.
Ek is eintlik baie nederig.
Ja.
Ek is so nederig, ek sê dit vir mense. Ek ook, maar JP is glad nie, maar dit is 'n baie lekker karakter om te speel. So, my naam is JP.
En ek speel weer dieselfde rol wat ek in die fliek gespeel het. My naam is Jackie. Sy is so 'n complete overachiever, workaholic. Ja, seker so 'n bietjie soos ek dink net sy het beter styl as wat ek het.
And I don't want to give the plot away, maar jy gebruik 'n bietjie vir JP.
Ja, I think you can give the plot away. Ek dink die movie is nou al so well established. So the movie came out in 2012. And then as jy vir my 10 jaar terug gesê het dat Semi-Suit gaan 'n sequel op Netflix kry en will be turned into a successful musical
ja.
theatre show, ek sou in jou gesig vir jou gelag het. I would be like,
En wowza.
darling.
Ja.
I don't know, it was like Semi-Suit was so geliefde. Dit het amper soos half, dare I use the word cult classic geword by families. Dat het net, it somehow struck a chord with people. Dat dit was die eerste Afrikaanse fliek wat net lekker was. Daar was nie niemand was in kakie klere nie. Daar was nie boere in 'n stofstraat en iemand het mure in hulle onderbroek en gly op 'n piesangskil nie. Dit was net soos jy weet ons tipe ek as Afrikaner kon myself herken in dit. Jy weet die karakters was slim en aspirational en die grappies en die humor was vinnig
Jy
en
Anel, sê jy nou vir my vanoggend that we don't have to overact to be ourselves?
I don't know. What do you think, Martin?
Wat sê jy vanoggend vir my Anel dat daar leiers is tot Afrikaans wees?
Ja, wat nie noodwendig 'n milie en 'n rugbybal insluit nie.
Gosh, I love this so much. You acted together. Have you worked together before?
Ja, so en het net gesê, ek bedoel dis amper 20 jaar terug, was
Ja.
ek en sy albei in binnelanders. Wat ek kan nie glo is al 20
Ja,
jaar nie.
nee.
En so 'n ou gebou in die middestad van Johannesburg, die ou Absa gebou. It's a bit scary actually.
It was a
getting
bit rough. I think it was called Fox Theatres or Fox
Studios,
something. Fox
yes.
Studios.
Did you play a dodgy character in that one too?
No, that's one too.
I was the dodgy character.
Yes.
You were like a proper
Yes.
the like so hart van goud nurse mens.
That's right, Sister Boosie.
Ja.
Yes, Sister
What a
Boosie
reach.
was. Yeah. And that's why I'm an actress.
So
She gets
good.
me back, don't worry. She gets me back. Dude, so vir jou By the way, ek het vergeet nou te vra, hoe was in die bos vir jou gewees?
Ja, dit was lekker.
ja.
Dat was die Jack Arena konsert geweest, so dit was lekker.
Ja.
Dit was Vrydag aand geweest. En nie so koud verbasend nie.
Nee, glad nie.
Ek dink dit gaan baie kouer wees. Dit was massive geweest. Dit is altyd baie stresvol daar so baie verhoog. Jy vergeet hoeveel mense daar voor sit en ek dink ek was 4 jaar laas daar, so toe skrik ek 'n bietjie toe ek daar aankom, maar dit was amazing.
I don't believe that though. Does anyone here still buy this? Jy doen dit al so lank, Bobby. You're so good at doing this. Jy kan nie vir my sê jy stres nog oor sulke goed nie.
Nee, erg hoor, ek beloof jou erg. Dis 'n ding van 'n live show, anything could happen. So as iets verkeerd gaan, dis nie 'n set performance of 'n set ding wat jy nou kan edit of op TV of kamera nie. As iets verkeerd gaan, moet jy maak of dit deel is van die show. So dis nogal scary vir my.
Also, sign of a consummate professional. You do have to have those nerves every single time,
I think so,
because I
yeah.
do
You
think it
get on.
lifts you and it gives you that extra little bit of warmth. If
But-
you walk in and you're like, meh,
But once
doesn't
you're
matter.
on, you're on, surely.
Yes.
Ja, once you're on, you're on.
It's the build, it's the
got it
build
up
up that takes.
Can I just say the difference between doing a music show with a band, the way that Bobby did it at Any Boss, and going on a musical stage in front of a live audience. Jy as iets fout gaan op daai weet rock show stage, jy kan nog 'n bietjie gegil, 'n bietjie what's up, 'n bietjie band kan 'n
Do
bietjie
a
jol.
leprechaun dance.
Hierdie musiekblyspel, stage work and stuff. Oh my soul, that is a different kind of anxiety.
Maar
surely.
dis wat dit lekker is as jy 'n
Wow.
incredible span om jou het. Ek moet sê ons het so 'n klomp lekker akteurs om ons en you always know somebody's got your back. Jy weet iemand gaan jou nou help uit hierdie oomblik uit.
Yeah, we had a team like that. That is amazing.
Ja.
And luckily for you,
I felt sorry for you.
you're just
I'm
by
staring for no reason.
Yeah.
I'm staring for no reason. Luister, ons gaan nou 'n game speel. Yay!
Yay! Hey.
Well done. Well played.
Daai
This
gesig
is our
weet ek nie of
excited
dit jy is nie.
faces.
Yeah, the game is called Would You Rather.
Ooh.
Ek ken hom.
As iemand wat in teater gewerk het en daai tipe goede, Afrikaanse gehore is ongelooflik. Hulle is so ondersteunend, hulle kom deur, hulle kyk meer as een keer en dit maak die lewe as 'n akteur of iemand wat bevoorreg is soveel
Ja.
lekkerder en beter vir mense is daar.
Absoluut. Hierdie was een van die lekkerste werkservarings wat ek in my lewe nog gehad het. Ek regtig ons het soveel pret op stage gehad en die gehoor het nog meer pret gehad. En wat lekker was van dit was dat jy kon regtig sien dat oud en jonk, oupa, ouma, die kinders, almal het dit geniet en dit was regtig, dis die hart van Semi-Soet vir my. Is daar's ietsie vir almal in dit.
En hy gaan julle maak oop 4 September.
Yes.
Ja, vanaf 4 September.
4 September, Teatro, Monte Cassino vir julle familie, Semi-Soet musiekblyspel.co.za. Okay, we're playing a game now.
Yay!
Yay!
Bring it on.
We love playing games. Last week we did an acting scene with a famous actor in studio, and it went very, very well.
Okay.
Hollywood has been calling.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Non-stop.
It's non-stop.
Netflix wants a series, don't they?
That's yeah. So for oggend se game, it's going to be even more revealing because it's called Would You Rather.
Word you, ooh.
Is that
Okay.
more revealing than Bobby in his 5 Speedo?
Very much so.
Just checking. Maybe you need to ask some of the ladies to pull over.
Very. I'm going to ask the ladies to pull nothing.
Hulle kan nie sien nie, hulle kan nie hoor. So weet jy wat se klank ek moet maak nie.
Ja, maar met daai stem, Bobby.
Okay, here's a round of Would You Rather. Kolan Chingo, would you like to take it away, sir?
Yes, I might as well bring some sport into it. Would you rather, this is for the both of you, forget the national anthem lines at a live sporting event or your lines on stage during a production?
Lines on stage during a production.
Is that the easier one?
Absolutely, 100%, no
Jy kan
doubt
nie dit
about
opneek
it.
nie. Ons ken dit al te goed.
Yeah.
But you could become a meme that will be
Yeah.
played for the rest of your life
But
if you
sometimes
did forget it at a sports
Don't want
event.
that.
Sometimes the brain freezes, guys.
Yeah, no,
Dit
listen.
gebeur.
You'd rather be, you don't want to be Rusty Bassani at this stage.
Exactly.
Or
Nee,
any
dankie.
one of the many people. I will agree with that one.
Yeah, me too.
Would you rather sit through a 5-hour sound check or a 5-hour makeup session? Anel?
Oh.
I know, right?
Ek is nog een van daai mense wat ek hou van make-up. As dit 'n goeie make-up. It almost feels like therapy.
Ja.
Dis lekker. Hulle doen jou haartjies en is 'n borseltjie wat op jou oogie vryf en jou that type of makeup. The type of makeup where they're putting prosthetics on or they're like putting you into a Incredible Hulk
Yeah.
suit or whatever. No, thank you.
Bobby?
5-hour sound check.
I'm with you, brother.
Yeah, 100%.
As much as I hate sound checks, makeup is it's offensive, it's intrusive.
It's in your grill.
I have to ask.
Don't touch my face.
I have to ask though if makeup is similar in television as it is in movie making, because for us that was always the social hub. Everybody stood around
yes,
the
in the
makeup
makeup room,
room.
yes.
The makeup women and the ladies and the guys know all of the skinner, and it's got a bit of a.
It's like a
pole.
hairdresser. It's where
Yeah.
all the gossip happens because
Yeah.
everybody has to go through the makeup.
Everyone has to go to makeup.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
where all the news gathers.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
And makeup people don't ever feel bad that men get less makeup than women. We're okay with it.
Yeah, we're quite fine.
I think more makeup for men. I've got one.
Agreed.
Yes.
Would you rather listen to Martin's music all day long or spend the entire day at Home Affairs?
This feels like a
said.
trick
You
question.
said.
Some
Listen,
Home
you
Affairs
opened the
offices
door.
have couches now.
You open
Wel,
the door and
as
you
jy-
shut those fires.
Jy kan nie brandewyn drink by die Home Affairs nie, maar jy kan by die huis braai en Martin se musiek luister en brandewyn drink. So, whole day with Martin's music.
Maar as jy sal my Home Affairs toe gaan, dan sal ek vir jou snacks inpak.
Oh,
Hoe lank terug was jy daar? Dis rof. Niemand werk nie.
Ja, Martin, natuurlijk sal ek eerder by jou kom kuier.
Well played, you two.
Yeah. No, good one. I deserved it. I started stirring very early this morning.
Feel Good Mornings start here.
Good morning.
I was saying,
Bonjour. I'm joking. Sanibonani.
Breakfast with Martin Bester on your number one feel good station, Jacaranda FM.